friends. So this year we practiced different ways of counting. We counted by ones, we counted by fives, we've even counted by tens. And over the break, I started thinking, I wonder if there are other ways that we could count objects. And I thought, maybe we can count things by twos. So I'm trying to think of different things that come in twos. Like I have two hands, I have two eyes. When we get tennis shoes, we buy them in two. Can you think of anything else that we get that comes in twos? Were you thinking about socks? Because I thought about socks and those come in twos also. So today we're going to practice counting by twos. I have some pennies here that I'm going to be counting with today, and I'm going to see if I can count by twos. I'm going to take two pennies and I'm going to say two. Get two more pennies. That's four. I don't know what my next two would be. So I have 2, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 2, 4, 6. If I don't know, I can just count by ones to the next two. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so it goes 2, 4, 6, 8. I wonder what would come next. What do you think? Did you say 10? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if I don't know what comes next, I can just count up by ones to find the next two. I'm going to use this information to help me fill out my worksheet today. You're going to watch me fill in the worksheet for lesson 8.1, and you can do it with me. So in my box here, it's telling me that I need to count by twos. We started doing this a little bit together, so I know that first comes 2, and I see my 2 pennies. If I get 2 more pennies, now I have 2, 4. So in my next box, I would write a 4. 2, 4, 6. If I get lost, I can always count by one. So I see 2, 4, 6. So in my next box, I'm going to put a 6. I don't know what comes after 6. I can't remember. So I can put out 2 more pennies and I can count 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. Oh, so it goes 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me put an 8 in my next box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If I put 2 more pennies, I will have 10. So I can put a 10 in my last box. I don't know what comes next, so I can say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I'll put 2 more pennies. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. So I know that a 12 needs to go in my next box. If I put 2 more pennies out, I get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. Oh, so if I add 2 more pennies, I get 14. I'm going to put 2 more pennies out. Now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16. After 14 comes 16. Put 2 more pennies out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18. So I put an 18 in my next box. And then my last box, I need to put out 2 more pennies. And then count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20. So my next box will be 20. On the bottom, they have numbers for me to trace. So I'm just going to sit and trace over each of my numbers. I'm going to say them out loud as I trace over them. Say them out loud with me while we trace over them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Read them again with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We counted all the way to 20 by twos. In this very bottom box, it's asking us to draw a picture of something that comes in twos. I know earlier we said that hands come in twos, so I'm going to draw some hands in my box. I need to make sure I draw both the hands because we're talking about counting in twos. See if you can come up with something else that comes in twos that you can draw in the box. When you're done with that, you're going to flip to the page where it says lesson 8.2 and you're going to finish that all by yourself. Don't forget to text a picture of it to your teacher so that you can earn a shout out. Also, remember that if you get stuck figuring out what comes next when you're counting by twos, you can always go back and count by ones to figure it out.